Let's do. On Wednesdays, we wear socks for everyone over here. Maybe not everyone, but let's see how much we got. All right, lastly, you had me at over here. Yes, gorgeous, over here. All right, I got enough time for 2 more. I love that. All right. I live my life a quarter blank at a time. All right here, right here. Sorry, sir, but you got to give your socks to somebody else. You won one. To the girlie, yes. Okay. Now one more. You won socks, girl. I know you. Copper, yeah.
Every single value. Good evening.
Sorry, the voice is in my head. Welcome to RTH and to, I don't know what day it is, but Friday, and the red carpet for the Hummingbird. We should be getting started in the next probably 15, maybe 30 minutes. So we'll hang out until then. We've got a couple of calendar arriving tonight, so hopefully we'll have a good night. You'll see some people that you've been waiting to see. As the cars arrive, they will pull up to the top of the carpet, they will disembark, and they will stop for some photos on the platform before they make their way down the carpet. Hopefully stopping for some autographs and photographs. I have no control over where they go or how long they stay out here. Well, that's a lie. I control a little bit how long they stay out here. But they will go and they will sign where they would like to sign. The louder you are, the better chance you have of them coming over to see you. So we can keep the excitement up. That usually helps. As the cars are arriving, there will be a few folks that you recognize, and there will be a few folks that you will not recognize. That is because there are a lot of people who work behind the scenes to get the film made. There are producers and cinematographers and editors and costume designers and screenplay writers and composers and a whole bunch of other people without whom the film would not get made. So if you can help me out a little bit and assume that anybody walking this carpet is somebody important with the film, whether you recognize them or not. They are all excited to be here for their premiere, and we are very happy that it chose the Toronto International Film Festival to premiere their film. It's because it's somebody very important that we would love to show a little bit of excitement for. So if you can clap and cheer for everybody walking the carpet, that would be wonderful. Thank you.
I'd say I'm borrowing.